Hey guys, this is Amy Weiss from AmazingAtHome.com, and I want to talk about Prime Day for Amazon sellers. Prime Day 2023 is going to be on or around July 13th, and that means that the last day to ship inventory for Prime Day is going to be mid-June. So what you want to do is you want to sign up for deals by April 28th, and spots are limited. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a deal. Also, the Prime Day deal price will be 20% off your lowest price in 60 days. So what you need to do is remove any Prime exclusive discounts and don't run sales from the beginning of April until Prime Day. That starts today. April 1st is tomorrow, right? So remove any of those discounts so that you can have that minimum 20% off discount. Also, coupons don't count. To sign up for a Prime Day discount, you go to advertising/deals. Then on this page, you click Create a New Deal. From there, you'll see your eligible products that are in the Prime Day window, and you can select either product here. Then you can see where you can do your Prime deals, and during the Prime Day window, how much it's going to cost you to run that deal. And don't forget, you have to give at least 20% off besides this fee. Then you click Continue to the next step. Then you just turn on or off whatever ones you want to participate in the deal, and you click Submit Deal. That's it. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you get amazing sales on the upcoming Prime Day. If you need help with this or anything in your business, navigate over to AmazingAtHome.com and check out what we got for you.